Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the L'Oréal Paris Makeup True Match Lumi Glotion, a product designed to give you that sun-kissed, glowing complexion. Whether you're looking to highlight specific areas or all over luminosity, this product promises hydration and a radiant finish. Let's see if it lives up to the claims. L'Oréal's Lumi Glotion is a liquid highlighter meant to give you an instant glow. It's formulated with glycerin and shea butter to hydrate your skin while adding an illuminating color tint. The product is available in 4 shades, ensuring there's something for every skin tone. This version, 904 Deep, is designed for deeper complexions, offering a warm, bronzy finish that mimics a natural sun-kissed glow. It can be worn alone, under foundation, or as a targeted highlighter, giving you versatility in how you choose to use it. When I tested the Lumi Glotion, I incorporated it into my daily makeup routine and found it to be extremely easy to use. The texture is smooth and blends effortlessly into the skin, leaving behind a hydrated, luminous finish without being greasy. I love that it didn't feel heavy or sticky, and it gave my skin a soft glow that wasn't too overpowering, perfect for that healthy, radiant look. I tried applying it in different ways, as a primer under my foundation, as a highlighter on top, and even on my shoulders for a bit of added glow. The results were consistent and gave my skin a subtle but noticeable radiance. In terms of performance, the Lumi Glotion really stood out in the hydration department. After wearing it for several hours, my skin still felt moisturized, which is often a challenge with other liquid highlighters. However, the glow it gives is not as intense as some might expect from a traditional highlighter. It's more of a soft, natural glow, which could be a pro or con depending on your preferences. If you like a more intense shine, this may not give you the dramatic effect you're looking for. Let's talk about the pros. The Lumi Glotion's texture is smooth, and it absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. The hydration it provides is impressive, especially for a highlighter. It's also easy to apply, whether you're using it on the high points of your face or all over. The packaging is sleek and it's travel-friendly, which makes it convenient for on-the-go use. On the flip side, there are a few cons. While the glow is beautiful, it's quite subtle. If you prefer a stronger highlight, this might not be the product for you. Also, the color shade, though deep and beautiful, may not be the most versatile for every undertone within deeper skin tones, especially if you want a glow that's a bit more customizable. Now let's talk value for money. At its price point, the L'Oréal Lumi Glotion is a good deal. You're getting a quality product with hydrating ingredients that works well for a natural glow. It's affordable compared to many high-end highlighters, making it a great option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly way to add some luminosity to their routine. If you're comparing this to other glow-enhancing products on the market, there are a few similar options, but what sets the Lumi Glotion apart is its hydration factor. Many highlighters focus solely on the shine, but this one adds moisture too. However, some other brands might offer more intense highlighters for those who prefer a bolder look. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and practical. The product is easy to dispense and doesn't spill, which is a big plus. And as far as longevity goes, it's effective throughout the day, keeping your skin looking fresh without fading or turning oily. I haven't needed to interact with customer service, but L'Oréal is known for its good customer support, so if there were any issues, I'd expect them to be resolved quickly and efficiently. As for product alternatives, if you want a more intense glow, you might want to try something like Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector or Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. However, these options may be more expensive and offer a more dramatic effect than the Lumi Glotion. In conclusion, the L'Oréal Paris Makeup True Match Lumi Glotion is a solid choice for those looking for a natural, hydrating glow. It's easy to use, comfortable on the skin, and delivers a radiant finish that's perfect for everyday wear. If you're a fan of subtle highlights and need something affordable, this might be the product for you. However, if you're seeking a more intense, show-stopping highlight, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.